Hey guys, it's Birdie, not the nationally renowned British pop singer Birdie, although I'm a huge fan of her work, amazing singer. But it's Birdie. She got me like... Or, I mean, just Birdie is fine, I guess. What you see behind me are a bunch of computer parts. Today, I joined the PC Master Race. What is this? So the main purpose of why I want to put together this computer is to build a gaming rig slash workstation that's powerful enough to handle everything that I do, from my video editing, photo manipulation work, to sound design and music production, and of course, gaming. A little bit of streaming in there as well, you never know. Now, I know little to nothing at all when it comes to building a computer from ground up, and that is why I invited my artistic digital illustrator friend Pedro here to help show me the ropes on how to build a computer from basically scratch. Yep. Pedro's actually helped me pick all the parts to this PC. I barely know anything, so that's why I have him
It's just Legos for adults.
Most things we've already gathered for the build of the PC. You have coffee. Where's my coffee?
For this build, we sort of color coordinated it.
We tried to follow a theme of black and green.
We also try to make it a little bit sleek because it's usually a green on black that's streamlined. Because we didn't just want to go in and just get a bunch of razor stuff, which would have been really easy, but it wouldn't have been as fun and it wouldn't have been as customizable and like showing a bit of Birdie's personality within the system.
So you're definitely gonna see some things from Razer.
Yeah, usually like stuff that we know that actually lasts from Razer and has good reviews.
You have coffee, we got mother effing donuts.
The translations of Final Fantasy VII and Cloud would go, "Let's mosey." And Sid would just call him out on it. He's like, "Oh my god."
Alright, man, yeah.
It's like a robot. Isn't it like a transformer? Yeah, the best design you'll notice is car lighting in computers. You have two M.2 connectors for the new drives, the new solid state drives. You can put a lot of storage on this motherboard. Oh, and yeah, you have USB Type-C, the new one that flips around. Alright, let's take this guy out. You got like a turbo clock button or some shit. That's funny. See these two? The drive, that's where it goes. So you can put like 500 gigs. Insane. But there's like a little bridge. You just clip it in. They have like holes and you just clip them and then it works.
Alright.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love.
It's gonna go on top of the CPU and this is gonna go underneath the motherboard. So the motherboard and the CPU are in between these two things. Bracket in this box, and there's a whole thing that we gotta do. So this is nice. This heatsink is nice because you can just, see? then we'll take these out so you can keep.
And those are the stock fans.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
See, it goes like that, and these go through the motherboard, and they go through here, right? These tighten it up on the other side. Comes out.
Alright, so the lever, you push out to the side.
Yeah. And then this is just a protective cover. You can throw this out if you want. That's where the CPU is going in. Those pins, don't ever fucking do shit with those, because those are gold. And if they bend, they're really hard to bend back. And you can lose just the entire motherboard on that. Okay, so this is the stock heatsink that they bring. It sucks. This thing is loud as shit. I hate it. And it looks like that. It doesn't look like that. There's a bunch of gold plate connectors, right? So those pins are gonna touch these, and that's how that works. That's basically how the CPU works. With Intel, it's backwards. The pins are on the motherboard. With AMD, it's backwards. The pins are on here. I think this might be maybe a better way, because there's less of a chance for the pins to get fucked up here than it is if you have them on the chip itself, because you can just squeeze it and it's gone. Or if you like put a book on it or something, it's just gone. Super slow, super patient, because you want to line up everything and not push anything down until you're sure of what you're doing. These pins are just so stupidly fragile that you don't want to be doing that, you know? Back right there. Alright. So then, once you're sure, pull it down and clip it in. Part always makes me nervous. What's this? Yeah, we're gonna need to take out the other side. Anyways.
We even have green zip ties for this build.
So you put in a pea-sized amount, right? So that when you put this on top, it'll squish, but only cover the middle of it. And then the orientation is... This fan's gonna suck up. Okay.
Remembers Beyblade. Oh yeah, bro.
Here. So, if I were like eclipse the stuff. Ow! Alright, and if the stopper touches the metal, you're good.
Suppose I had the money of the world in hands. Suppose I roll this down in the space beyond.
It goes from here out here. Look, it's not jiggling at all.
Alright, so we're having trouble trying to fit in the 200mm fan.
And we're sure absolutely that it won't work from the top.
So there might actually be a way to fit these guys inside the tower, because if there wasn't, that would be pretty shameful.
Honestly, on NZXT's side, a little more than Bitphoenix. Just because they're like full tower and it's like, I can't fit this. These holes have enough room for a zip tie.
You're a genius.
Dude, I'm having deja vu.
What?
Yeah. For some reason, I thought I had a dream about this. And then, in theory, it's here. Brady, you won't even see those clips. We have to zip tie all 4 ends because there's a little bit of wobble over there. But I mean,
Pretty decent.
dude, see how this? There's a holy fuck. That's a lot of air. Put your hand over this.
Really?
It's gonna be taking all the hot air out. It's gonna be so. All right, cool. Fuck, we got that one in. You can return the other one if you want.
It's pretty badass.
Because I routed them all through here.
Yeah, that's true.
Because I accidentally put, this isn't a modular cable, I accidentally put this one so they would all be down there. But I mean, I think they would probably look a lot neater if we just put them in here. This is the only thing. See? Holy shit, your CPU temperature is 26 degrees? What the fuck? It's booting out of the USB first, and it's not giving us a Windows option.
Yo, this is the first time I've seen that working, so that's pretty sweet. Sick! Oh, look at that.
Put a strip on your M50s, put it on the head. Your keyboard's pretty cool. The whole thing is gonna be fucking fast. Like, I'm excited for you to edit on this shit, dude. So install Vegas when you can.
Oh! Oh!
That's a Windows screen.
Motherfucker.
Let me sit down.
Yo, Pedro.
We're good.
Woo!
Fuck. All right, buddy. Time? You want maybe Mountain Time Canada? So green.
Green as life.
Wow.
Yeah, down there you can see the bar. We have liftoff. Let's start. Okay.
Not yet. Not yet. Resolution.
Oh yeah, resolution.
Resolution's off.
Oh!
Oh wait, I think it's installing drivers. Yeah, there we go.
Oh what? All right, so
No. We're gonna make 3 my main display. So this is all programs will start here, and then these are just extras. How's that? So your login screen is here. Everything's here. So games are here.
Yeah.
And then here are extras.
that's perfect. Holy.
Shit, dude. And that's how you play games from here.
Oh, the panoramic view.
Here.
Yeah. Okay, I was like, what the fuck? Who'd use that?
I think we should play with it later.
Yeah, for racing games or
Yeah.
something. I don't know. Maybe if you can look for a panoramic wallpaper on Google. Oh, that looks pretty badass too. Oh my god. What you gonna do? I'm gonna have fun playing around with that.
It's the main one, yeah, because it's the start.
All aboard! All aboard! Yeah, this is battle station ready.
The video card The NVIDIA drivers, they're already installed, so it's gaming ready. It's good to go.
Why don't you guys play?
Yo,
He hasn't bought it yet, I think.
Capture.
Oh, but do you have it?
What? I got it for
Amnesia?
free.
Because if you have it on Steam...
if you're wondering why we're wearing different clothes as to what we were wearing in the beginning of the video, it's because the build itself took more than a couple of days. What happened was the RAMs were defective, so both of them we actually had to get replaced, so we took it into Memory Express. Pedro actually called it. He knew exactly what was wrong, but at that point, like, we were just overworked and like a little too tired.
Build was nice. I mean, it wasn't super straightforward as the ones I've done in the past, but since we're putting really new parts, it's to be expected. Like, you can't really, you know, come out of that unscathed.
Something else you didn't see was we replaced the two monitors. In the beginning you saw that I had Asus monitors, like 2 screens. We exchanged those for LG monitors, 2 inches bigger than the Asus. And I actually bought an extra one to do the triple monitor. If it makes editing for me a lot easier, then I'm all for it.
These are a little more color correct, being IPS panels. Those are usually the ones you want to go with if you're going to do a lot of like editing work.
For me, that was a lot of like information all at once. I was
I'm
like,
sure
holy
it was.
shit.
But now that it's sort of at least put together, you have all the time in the world to just kind of like open it and see what's up in there. You fiddle around. And I think we really pulled off the basics as even to like the aesthetics we wanted. We wanted it to be a little bit more of a birdie style, like this kind of like black with a little streamlined green to it. So I'm glad that we managed to pull it off, and the lighting, and even the graphics card has a nice accent.
Oh yeah,
to
for
it.
sure. That thing's badass, man. Huge thanks to my friend Pedro. If you guys want to see any of his artwork, give him a follow on Instagram. His Instagram will be posted somewhere in this area. It's
fhw.i. Yeah.
Yeah. However,
I post drawings there from time to time.
give that a look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe if you want to get updated on new videos that come out on this channel. That's it. Peace. Good day, sir. Nice shirt.